Have you ever struggled to make your character sound real and relatable? No worries, because today we're going to show you how to craft authentic dialogue with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're writing a novel, screenplay, or even a video game script, this tool can transform your character's conversations into engaging lifelike interactions. Let's get started. Let's start with developing distinct character voices. Each character in your story should have a unique way of speaking, reflecting their personality and background. ChatGPT, our old buddy right here, can assist us in achieving this. First, think about the traits and quirks that define your characters. For example, let's say Emma is a witty and sarcastic barista, while Jake is a nervous first-time customer. So let's use ChatGPT to bring these characters to life. So here's the prompt that I put together, and now it all depends on ChatGPT whether it would generate it well. Let's go. You can see right here, this is how it takes place right there. So, as you can see, based on the dialogues, notice how Emma's sarcasm immediately sets the tone for her character. Her playful jabs make her personality shine through. Meanwhile, Jake's short and hesitant responses highlight his nervousness. These character-specific dialogues help in making each conversation unique and engaging. So, when you're working on character voices, think about their traits, how they would react in different situations, and let ChatGPT help you craft those interactions. These look pretty impressive, I might say. Context provides the setting and circumstances for your conversations, making them more vivid and engaging. So let's build on the characters we developed earlier. What I mean is Jake and Emma that we planned from earlier. So, adding situational details can make their interaction more realistic and relatable. For example, what if Jake accidentally spills his coffee? What would happen? So, how would Emma, with her sarcastic personality, respond? So, here's the prompt right here that I put together. And with that, let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work from this. See right there? So, while it currently processes, notice how the context of spilling coffee adds a new layer to the conversation? So, Emma's consistent sarcasm shines through, and we get to see a bit more of Jake's nervousness and gratitude. Remember, adding context and background isn't just about the setting. It's about enriching your characters and making their interactions feel genuine. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Emotional subtext is the unspoken layer of dialogue that conveys feelings and emotions beneath the surface. This adds depth and complexity to your characters, making their interactions more compelling. Let's start with a simple scenario. Imagine Sarah secretly likes Tom and is trying to hide her feelings while they discuss a movie they both watched. The emotional subtext here is Sarah's hidden affection. Here's the prompt that I put together right here. See? Now, I'll just send this and see how ChatGPT would come up with the dialogues based on what I asked and put together with this prompt. Here we go. As you can see right here, as it currently processes with all of the dialogues, notice how Sarah's nervous comments subtly reveal her feelings for Tom. She tries to keep the conversation casual, but her words hint at her deeper emotions. Now, let's add another layer to this. What if Tom starts talking about someone else he likes? Tom, that I mean, this character. So how would Sarah's subtext change? Let's see. Here's the prompt right here. Then click send and see how this goes. As you can see right here, situation has been tweaked right here. So Sarah's brief responses and attempt to join them reveal her disappointment and desire to be, I can say, included, without directly expressing her feelings, that is. This is the essence of emotional subtext. To further enhance the emotional depth, let's add an element of conflict. So imagine Sarah accidentally reveals more than she intended. How would ChatGPT handle this? Here's another prompt right here. This is the context that I just stated. Now, let's see how this goes with ChatGPT. It might take a while, and here we go. So, as you can see, Sarah's slip of the tongue adds an unexpected twist to the conversation, revealing her hidden feelings through subtext. This makes the dialogue more engaging and emotionally rich. So, when you're working on dialogue, think about the emotions your characters are experiencing and how they might subtly reveal these feelings. See? Now, there you have it. There we go. We've explored how to use ChatGPT to create authentic dialogue. With these techniques that I just showed you through this whole video, you can bring your characters to life and make your stories more engaging and believable. It's been a great time, everybody. See you next time.